MJ, come downstairs. We have got a surprise for you. What is it? What is it? What is it? Well, I adopted a new pet in the pet store. I got a new pet. Oh boy! What animal is it? Find out. Have a cockatiel. What are they naming him? Daniel. Good. Daniel. Hello, Daniel. Welcome to the new home today. Wow, that's so cute. Oh yeah, the cockatiel is so cute and adorable. Yeah, the cockatiel is so perfect. Yeah, yeah, the cockatiel is so cool. No, the cockatiel is so stupid. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, che. Oh, hey, che. T. How dare you call no cockatiel Daniel stupid? That's no one. What do you call that? What are you call that? Because I wanted a parakeet, not a cockatiel. Too bad. Too bad. The parakeet is too expensive. That's it. You are grounded 90 years. Go your room right now. It's okay, Daniel. That my tea and they cousin looking for you to feel have no feelings to do. I will give you the cabbage some apples. Here we go, Daniel.